Are you tired of your vinyl records sounding dull or picking up unwanted noise? The Audio-Technica VMN40ML replacement stylus is designed to restore and elevate your listening experience. Specifically made for VM740ML and VM540ML cartridges, this MicroLine stylus delivers exceptional clarity and smoothness, so your favorite albums sound better than ever. Even the best diamond stylus wears down over time, affecting sound quality. But instead of replacing your entire cartridge, swapping out the stylus is an easy and cost-effective way to keep your setup fresh. The VMN40ML features a precise 2x0 12 MicroLine tip and a Nude Rectangular Shank construction, engineered to track grooves with remarkable accuracy. That means you get more detail, less distortion, and a richer soundstage every time you play a record. Many vinyl enthusiasts have switched to the VMN40ML after struggling with other cartridges. One reviewer shared how replacing an Ortophon 2M Blue with the VM540ML cartridge and VMN40ML stylus eliminated residual noise and harshness, revealing a smoother, more nuanced sound. This isn't just a replacement, it's an upgrade that brings out the best in your vinyl collection. If you're ready to experience deeper detail and a smoother character in your music, the VMN40ML is worth a look. It's simple to install, fits perfectly with your existing VM740ML or VM540ML cartridge, and lets you enjoy the full potential of your records without breaking the bank. Don't settle for a worn-out stylus that dulls your sound. Refresh your vinyl setup with the Audio-Technica VMN40ML replacement stylus and hear your music the way it was meant to be heard. Try it when you're ready and rediscover the joy of vinyl.